5 minutes to crochet a mini butterfly. Prepare yarn and let's DIY together. Body, magic ring. 4 chain stitches, CH. In the ring, work 1 double treble crochet, DTR. Yarn over hook 3 times. Insert hook into ring, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, X3. Work 2 more double treble crochets, DTR, in ring. Four chain stitches, CH, slip stitch, SL street, into ring, gives first wing complete. Repeat steps 2 to 6 for second wing. Lower wings, 3 chain stitches. In ring, work 1 treble crochet, TR. Work 2 more treble crochets, TR. Three chain stitches. Slip stitch, into ring gives first lower wing complete. Repeat steps 8 to 12 for second lower wing. Finishing! Tighten magic ring securely. Cut yarn, leaving 10 centimeters tail. Weave in ends with tapestry needle. Antennae. Leave 15 centimeters tail. Begin with 1 chain stitch. C, H. Work 5 chain stitches. C. From second chain, from hook, work slip stitch, SL street, into back bump of each chain. 4 SLSTS total. Repeat for second antenna. Join both strands with 1 chain stitch, CH. Attach to body and weave in ends. Perfect for phone charms.